Welcome to Daily Tutorials. Today we're going to explore what pipes are and how to implement them. So let's get started. Here in our TypeScript file, we have two variables, create variable of type number and an intro variable of type string. Now let's head to our HTML file. And here we're going to add p tag. In this p tag we're going to use interpolation. We're going to put our credit variable and we're going to use the bar. And we're going to add our first pipe, which is currency. And for our second pipe, we're going to use p tag again, interpolation. I'm going to put our intro variable and the bar, vertical bar. And we're going to add our uppercase pipe. Now let's check the browser. And here we can notice that the currency pipe added automatically a $sign in front of our credit, and it made the intro into an uppercase. Now let's go back to our editor. And here we're gonna add another p tag, where we're gonna display the intro without any pipes. Now let's go back to the browser. And here we can see that the intro in lowercase, and that shows that the uppercase pipe did not change the variable itself, but it has only changed the way it's displayed. Now let's go back to our editor. Now we saw that the currency pipe added automatically a $sign to our credit, but we can change that by adding some parameters. So after the currency pipe, so let's add a colon. And we're going to add a string, so let's make it into euro. Here. Now let's check our browser. And here we can see that it changed the $sign to euro sign. Angular has lots of built-in pipes. And the next days we're going to go through all of them one by one. So don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.